Hello guys, so today I'm gonna make a video. No reaction with spiciest Korean food. Noodles. So let's taste it. Look at that. This is already spicy. And I said this is really spicy. Oh, it's really spicy. Just put a half of the sauce and I already need water. One more. I already can't eat, guys. So sorry, really spicy, guys. Okay, it's just normal. My tongue's normal. But look at this. Got the black one. I mean, that means it's so spicy. I'm just gonna have some flakes, Korean flakes. So spicy, guys. Let's hit this fast. So I can already drink water after this video. I'm almost done, guys. It's killing me. Guys, I have to end here because my phone is full. So yeah, bye guys. Peace.